What's inside the bag?
Let's check. How do you open this butter? First, you take your knife and you get some of the butter. Then you put it onto your pancake. Let's see if it melts. It does, so you're lucky. Put your honey. Please pour on. Just put a little, you know, you can't be diabetic if you put a lot of sugar. And honey is a type of sugar. You better be safe, my dear. Today is raining, and it's raining really hard. Let me show you. It's raining really hard. And look. There's actually zero visibility outside. We can't really see it though, so let's show you. It is raining outside, and even the floor outside is wet. Look at that. It's raining outside. Bunny, hey. He's hiding from us. He's hiding from us. Hi. Look. Oh, someone's saying hi. Jella bought a dog pup for her mom, and it's not allowed to be in condos. And I'm so excited because I'm gonna see a dog again for after some time. And yeah, we're here in the room. I think I need to make some adjustments, like this blanket and put it there, and this bag and put it above. Because I mean, we need to prepare for the dog. You know, it should be able to roam around freely, and I think it's going home, really home tomorrow. It will just stay here for overnight or something like that. What can you say though, Jughead? But Jella and Paul are arriving. Wait, are arriving, and I'll just attend to them because I need to hand them the money. Yeah, I have to find the key later. I have to be reminded. The dog is coming. Alright, alright. Right now we're going down and we need to go undercover. No, really, I was just kidding. Angela compró un cachorro para su madre. Y ahora Angela y Pablo está llegando aquí. So, tengo que ir abajo. Hope they won't screw it up. And the truth is, no one actually goes through this floor, so it's actually a bit of an advantage that they'll go here. I'm so excited. Yeah. I actually left the condo open because I can't find my key right now, and I'll just find it later. I trust the CCTVs though. What? They've arrived! Really? What have you done? What have you done? You're cruel. They're cruel. They put it in the bag, but I mean, Logan Paul did that too. It's there.
What's inside the bag?
Let's check. Hola, amigo. Hola. No, I've got to go up, hoping that they won't discover us.
It is a zoo.
Yay! They brought an animal. Look, the bag is fine. The bag is fine. You have to be safe because they're, you know, pretentious CCTV cameras. Yeah, they're pretentious. But I don't know if they're working. I feel like they're pretentious.
I think they're watching us, so. It's not working.
Or malay mo, nag-record lang.
Okay, we're here. And look.
I'm sorry.
There it is.
Archie.
It's so cute.
Dito na muna. Parang pumunta siya sa light.
Archie! Archie!
How old is he?
2 months.
Oh, he's so young. I know.
Dougie, you have a friend.
For 2 days.
Come out of your zone.
Kunin mo.
Yay!
Dougie! Dougie! Come here, Dougie.
Archie! I don't know how
Oops.
long will I see you again after some time. Because I don't know. Ang baho na ng bahay natin.
Oh,
Baho
okay
na.
na siya.
Baho na nga.
Say hi to the camera.
Archie, say hi daw. Be court. Say hi. Hi!